Time for your phone call.
Oh, time. Yeah, man. You call my buddy Theo. Hey, Theo.
Hey, what's going on, man?
I got myself in a little pickle. I'm in jail.
Okay, and how did that happen?
Do I gotta tell you, man? Alright, look, a little drunk and disorderly, don't you? You know.
Man, we're too old to be out here drunk and disorderly. We do one, not the other.
Man, look, I'm wondering, you think you can come down here and bail me out, dude? I really need your help.
Right now, I'm in Thailand, so I'm on the other side of the world. I don't know if I'd be much help to you.
Oh, don't be in Thailand, man. I need to get out of jail, man. Okay. Well, thanks anyway, man. I appreciate it.
Phone call.
Hello?
Hey, Hunter.
Hey!
It's Deanne.
Hey, girl.
You remember Virginia Beach 2016?
Yeah, how could I forget?
Yeah, remember when I parked in front of that fire hydrant? You said it'd be okay?
Yeah?
Remember when I got that ticket and you said I didn't have to pay it?
Yeah.
Funny. So I did, and I'm in jail now. Do you think you could pay my bill?
Love you, girl, but that sounds more like a you problem. And I gotta go. Bye.
Hunter? Hunter? No. Hunter!
Make it quick.
Hello?
Marco, listen to me. Wipe the drives. They're on to us.
What do you mean?
I'm in jail. All those DVDs we copied, the FBI's been trailing us for 10 years. Piracy, criminal enterprise. You gotta go to the house and wipe everything.
Oh man, I gotta finish cutting the grass. I gotta prune the trees, wash my car, walk the dog, and pick up my kids.
What? No, man, they're on their way to the house right now.
Well, I gotta finish the lawn first at least.
The lawn does not matter. Aaron Matlock, you're free to go.
Free to go. About time. Yeah.
You still feeling drunk?
Just a little. I get to go. About time I get to go. I'm gone, y'all. Bye.
Deanne Logan,
Yes?
you're going down to solitary confinement.
What? It's just a parking ticket.
We take the law seriously around here.
The law. The law. No, not the law.
Enjoy your stay.
No, it was just a ticket.